Hello, I'm Saad, and today in this video I'm going to be discussing about organic ranking and how to improve it. So for example, if my listing is not converting well as compared to my competitors, so Amazon learned something that customer prefer to buy that product rather than me. So for example, if I'm driving 100 clicks and I'm getting only 5 orders, right, and at the same time my competitor is getting fewer clicks, but he converts most of them. So what happens, like Amazon starts pushing their product higher organically because the data signals that customer trust it more, and they are not just getting more clicks but they are converting it. Always remember, your the basically the number of orders are directly proportional to the organic rank. The more order you get, the more the better improve the better ranking you have, right? So in this, like, this is usually happens when your listing is not like well optimized. You do have a review gap, you do have a price issue, you don't have a good images, and you are not convincing your buyers to purchase like to purchase my product. So this is something that you have to make sure that you have everything in your listing. You don't have the video is most important. So in this situation, you are gonna look at the SQP data, the conversion rate benchmark, and compare it with you and like the data that you have in your SQP and what you get, right? So this SQP report tells us if there is an opportunity to improve more and more, so that like this is the internal data and the demand, the market, it's all about. So you need to look at this report. So let's say if I'm spending more on ads, if and my ads are not actually improving our product organically, so it doesn't mean to like spending more on ads. I'll look at the point, like why my ads are not actually converting, why my ads are not actually improving my organic rank. So this is something that you need to look at, and conversion rate is the most important metric. You need to always compare the data that it always improve your profitability. So this is you have to look at, and if you have any question or something, so please reach out to me and follow me for more info. Thank you.